Finding client as a new virtual assistant is not easy. It's the most challenging part of starting freelancing or virtual assistance. And even if you are doing everything right, it could take months before you are able to find your first client. When I personally get started, it took me around 3 months to find my first freelancing client. And I recently see comment from many of you that you are doing everything right, you have been doing it for a long time and you still can't find your first client. And that is why I decided to make this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you something that you can do, some high-level things that you can do in order to improve your chances of finding your first client. The truth of the matter is, if you are doing everything right and you still can't find your first client, what you need to do is step up your game, step up your effort. And that is what I'm going to teach you in this video. If you are ready to step up your effort and do what I'm going to tell you in this video, then you are going to be able to separate yourself from the competition. You are going to be able to find clients without relying on giving the lowest price, charging the lowest price, or some of the things that are not going to help you at all. And the first thing is, whether you are looking for clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or using cold outreach, direct outreach, there are a lot of competitions. There are a lot of people sending proposals to the same client. Let's use Upwork as an example. If you see a job that you want on Upwork, you will see how many people send proposals to the job. So there is a lot of competition and a lot of people write good proposals. So even if you also write good proposals, you are not sure really if your proposal is going to stand out. And that is why the first thing you are going to do is give your proposal an edge so that your proposal is going to stand out. And the best thing you can do in order to do this, to give your proposal the best chance of standing out, is record a video proposal. You don't be afraid of recording a video proposal. You don't need to have a professional setup and a high quality camera and a microphone. You don't need any of that. All you need is you see a job on Upwork, you want the job, you have the skills to do the job. Just take out your mobile phone, find a clean place, even just a plain wall background with nothing in the background. You just make sure it's quiet, the place, and you just record a proposal specifically for that video. And it can be as simple as, hey there, thank you for checking out my application. I am interested in working for you as an experienced virtual assistant or as a beginner virtual assistant with a lot of skills in X and X, a lot of skills in data entry, calendar management, all of those things. You just list out the skills you have, the relevant skills that you have that are relevant to the job. And you can close with, I have attached samples of my work so that you can see what I can do for you. I am looking for the opportunity to meet with you in an interview to learn more about my skills and how my skills and experiences will benefit your business or will benefit your organization. Just something as simple as this. If you record a video proposal, your proposal is going to stand out. When you write a proposal and you said, here is a link to a video proposal, or check out this video I made, something simple like that, people are hardly going to pass without taking a look at the video. People will be curious to see what is in the video. If you upload the video maybe in Google Drive or Dropbox, or even if you record using Loom, the client is going to feel curious to see what you have in the video. And if they watch the video, they see you, they hear how you speak, they see you have a quiet place to do your work, then you really separate yourself because they see you as a human compared to all the other proposals that are just written proposals. So if you are ready to step up your effort, this is going to be the first thing you should do. If you find a job on Upwork or anywhere else that you want to apply for and you know you have the skills to do the job, record a video proposal and send it to the client. Okay, the second thing that you can do in order to step up your effort and increase your chances is create unique work samples for the client. Depending on what they are looking for, if they are looking for something like data entry work, then this is going to be a little bit challenging. But if they are looking for someone to do social media management, for example, then that is going to be easy. You can just go to their social media account. If you read their job description, you will probably be able to know their business name. You can go to their business account, find their social profiles, and create work sample, create social media graphics that are specifically for them. not generic work samples. A work sample that is for their business, and you can include it in your proposal. If they are looking for someone to help them with maybe creating reels, editing videos, and media production, you can simply find their YouTube channel or find anywhere they have videos. You don't need to ask, just get the videos, edit the videos, and create the samples that are specifically for them. This is obviously going to take up too much time, but really the effort, if you compare the two proposals where you just write a proposal, and if someone record a video proposal and they create work sample that are specifically for the client, you can see who the client will be more interested in getting back to. And yes, this is entirely going to depend on the type of work that you are going to do for the client. If they are looking for someone to be maybe their general virtual assistant, then general virtual assistant do a lot of things. So this is even going to be easier because as a general VA, you are going to do a lot of things. Simply create some social media graphics for them, write some content that are for them, maybe social media post for them, maybe write some blog post if you can, depending on what you want to do for the client. Simply create sample that are specifically for them. This is going to increase your chances a lot. I'm very, very confident if you do this and you still couldn't hear back from the potential client, then chances are you don't have enough skills. The samples that you create for them is not attractive enough. Okay, the next thing that you can do to improve your chances is have testimonials. I know you are a beginner, you don't have any previous clients that you can get testimonial from. If you don't have any clients that you can get a testimonial from them, the way to do this is, first, if you ever done any job in your life, like a full-time job, a part-time job, anywhere else, try to get a testimonial from the person you work for. They can just write a testimonial for you, and you can write their name, their picture, and their testimonial, and you can include it in your portfolio. And even if you really can't get a testimonial from your former boss, your previous boss, just get a testimonial from your colleague, someone you work with. You didn't work for them, but you work with them. Ask them for a testimonial of your character, not your work, since you didn't work for them. But if you work together, then they can give you a character testimonial. Maybe you are a good team player, maybe you are proactive. As your colleague, they are going to know this, so they can give you a testimonial, a character testimonial, because having testimonials is going to increase your credibility no matter how little. And maybe you don't know this, but as a complete beginner, if you create your account on Upwork, you can add testimonials that are not on Upwork, testimonials that you didn't do the job on Upwork. If you scroll down in your Upwork profile, you can see a section for testimonial, and you can request testimonial from someone you work for outside of Upwork. And you can write their name, their email address, and their LinkedIn account, and you can request a testimonial from them. And Upwork is going to send them an email notification that, hey, this person requested a testimonial from you. And the person can write a testimonial and send it to you. When the person sends it to you, Upwork are going to review the testimonial and verify that, yes, the person has a business, the testimonial doesn't look fake. And if they approve the testimonial doesn't look fake, then you will have a testimonial on your Upwork profile, even if you have never done any work on Upwork. So if you have been trying to find a client and you know you are doing everything right and you couldn't find a client, those are the 3 things that you should do. Record a video proposal when you are applying for jobs. Create unique work samples that are unique to the client you are sending the proposal to, and get some testimonials. I am very confident if you do these 3 things right, you are going to find a client. If you still can't find a client, then maybe you just need to focus on improving your skills on doing the actual work that you want to do for a client. When I personally got started, it was really tough. I wanted to give up. The only reason why I never gave up was because I need to make it work. And if you want to learn more about how I stay motivated even when I couldn't find a client for months, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.